Today's video I'm going to show you how to mount your shower wand. You can put it down here where it's more convenient, or down here if you have dogs or something you want to wash. So today I'll show you how to put a mount on. It's by WaterSong. They gave us a separate wand that mounts to the wall. This is a WaterSong unit right here, and the adapter they sent will make life a lot easier if that's what you need. So the wand we have is black. Obviously, if you're going to switch this out, you're going to want to stay with the same color. So this is black. Right now, I got stainless steel up here. This is just for demonstration purpose only. After I'm done, I'll be removing it and going back. So the first thing to get started, what you have the hose that comes with the new wand. You have the new wand head, and then you have the wall mount. The wall mount is key to bringing everything down. Okay, so what we'll do first is I'll take my adjustable little crescent wrench here, and I'm going to take the old wand down, and I'm going to loosen the hose on the back side. So once we have that on, we're going to grab our new hose assembly, and we're going to attach that. There's a little plastic keeper in here that keeps the washer in place, so I'm going to take that off. Take the protective cover off, and we're going to screw the new adapter on the bottom of the diverter. Okay, once that's done, we're going to hand tighten that as tight as possible, and we're going to take our new hose and remove the plastic insert on that, and we'll screw that to our new head. So now that we have this part, we need to put the mount on the wall. In the mounting package, it comes with the holder. It also comes with a clear seal. This seal also has tape on it. You can use the sticky back to just go right on the surface on this. This is a fiberglass unit, so I'm just going to go ahead and mount this to the fiberglass unit and use this as the mount. It also comes with screws and anchors if you want to go that way as well. So the choice is yours. If you want to drill into the unit. So if you have tile or a kind of a rough surface where the tape isn't going to adhere well, you're definitely going to want to use the anchors, because the adhesive on this will have an issue with any type of rough surface. So you'll need to go with actually a mechanical type of anchor system. The first thing we need to do is ensure that there isn't any soap residue. We just want a clean, finished surface. So you want to take some rubbing alcohol and clean this surface really well till all the debris or anything that you're just back to the original surface. So the way this adhesive mount will work, it's got two locations here that will go insert inside of the mount itself. It does come with screws. So I'm going to go ahead and put the clear mount onto the wall first, press that in, and then I'll bring on the mount itself and then screw that to it. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the adhesive. I'm going to make sure that that's going to be aligned up and down straight. Now I'm not going to put any water on this probably for a good 3 or 4 hours. Once you pull that sticky back off, you want to give that a chance to adhere, and you don't want to get water on it and get water to be able to migrate behind that. Okay, I'm going to take my mount, I'm going to take my first screw, I'm going to pop it in the top hole. Okay, and then I'm going to take my screwdriver and just get it right there. And I'm going to take the mount itself, find that first hole, or find that first location where it slips into, and I'm just going to tighten that down. I'm not going to tighten it down all the way because I can't adjust it, so I want to make sure it's fairly straight. I'll back that off. There we go. I'm going to take my second screw, I'm going to put it in the bottom hole. And once you get it to where you want it, go ahead and do that bottom screw and snug it up. Okay. So it has two positions on the plastic mount itself. It's got a straight out, and then it also has a little bit one with a tilt, just in case you're mounting this up above or a little bit higher that's going to spray on your head. I'm going to remove this and go ahead and let that adhesive set up for a couple hours. Okay, we've got a couple hours set on the adhesive, and that is a super strong mount. It's not going to go anywhere. I'll go ahead and turn this on and just show you how to switch it over. Okay, so right now I've got it just on the head only. We're going to do the diverter and just bring that right over on the wand itself. And voila, we've got different settings on it as well. And you can actually turn it off as well, so which is nice. Now on the back side of this unit here, there's a, let me turn it off. There's a button, and this button right here will divert it over to this sprayer on the end of it. So if you want to clean the shower, you can do this. And it's coming right out there if you want a nice concentrated spray. So clean out the shower, and then you just pop it right back over. Like I said, it also has an adjustment to bring it down to minimal water. It's just going to give you a little bit here, so if you need to suds up or whatever, then you can just bring it back over to the spray you want. And if you're using this for a pet, whatever, you can bring it down, suds up your pet, give it a little wet, and then bring it back over as well. Okay, there you have it. It's all done, and now you have a shower wand that is more accessible or more custom to the way you like it. Also, it comes in numerous different colors, obviously, to whatever is going to match your setup. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, happy to answer them. And also, if you'd like to subscribe to the channel, we'd appreciate that as well. And thanks for watching DIY on the House.